Hello guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can know, today we are going to do is download Visual Studio Code and install it correctly. First, you need to go your web browser. I am using Chrome, so I am going to Chrome and type VS Code. Okay, as you can see, I already joined and go to first link as you can Visual Studio Code official site. So click on the link and you can see you can get the link for Windows, and if you have other browser you can the browser you have other system you can have that also. And for Windows I'm clicking this button for download Windows, and as you can see our download is started, and let's wait a little bit. Okay, our download is completed. And let's click on this icon. Okay, now I got to open the setup. So accept, click on the I accept the agreement and click next, and you can choose your path. I put it in the default. Next, I want to create a sub icon, so I click it. Next, and install. Just wait a little bit to install it. So as you can see, our Visual Studio Code is finished its installation. So let's click the finish button. Okay, now you can choose the mode you want. Okay, I choose the dark mode, and yes. File. Yes. File. For the if you like if you open new folder you get this message. So I click on the yes, I start the order and create a new file, and first HTML. Let's run this. As you can see, our Visual Studio Code is working fine. So that's it for today's video, and next video I am going to show you how to set up Node.js to a Visual Studio Code. So let's meet in the next video, and if you want like this content, subscribe to my channel and like, comment and share. If you have any problem, comment below. I'll reply to you. Thank you.